Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group A from offering A22. In this presentation, we will be looking for communicate language activities and strategies. Before we start the presentation, we need to introduce ourselves. First, my name is Margareta Putriwardani.
My name is Dinda Septianini.
My name is Nadia Mulyatul Hasana.
My name is Sakila Maisa.
And that's all. That's our introduction. Now let's start the presentation.
Reception, the process of receiving and understanding language involves. Number 1, receive and process input. And number 2, activating schema. Number 3, building meaning. And number 4, quizzing the purpose of communication. And number 5, checking suitability for context. And number 6, look for alternative if necessary. Next. Oral comprehension. The expression oral comprehension covers comprehension in life, face-to-face communication, and its remote and or record equivalent. It thus includes video gestural and audio vocal modalities. Understanding conversation between other people. This skill focuses on two main situations. Number 1, crosstalk. User or learners are no longer the direct and interlocutors in group interaction. Number 2, eavesdropping on conversation. Users or learners do not get involved in the conversation of other people around them, but just listen. Understanding as a member of a live audience. This skill concerns understanding a speaker addressing an audience for example, in a meeting or seminar, at a conference or lecture, on a quiz tour, or at a wedding or other celebration. Understanding announcement and instruction. This skill involves a different type of extremely focused comprehension in which the aim is to get specific information. The situation is complicated by the fact that the announcement or instruction might well be delivered by a possibly faulty public address system or called out or signed some considerable distance away. Understanding audio or signal media and recordings. This skill involves broadcast audio and signal media and record material unaccompanied by video, including message, weather forecasts, narrated story, news bulletin, interview, and documentaries.
Audiovisual comprehension, watching TV, film, and video. This skill include live and recorded video material plus higher level film. Next. Reading comprehension. Reading comprehension, there is fundamental difference between reading for orientation and reading for information and argument. The former is something called search reading and manually text to from. Firstly, reading a text diagonally at speed in order to decide whether to read part of it properly, skimming, and secondly, looking quickly through a text, searching from something special, usually a pitch of affirmation. Next. Reading correspondence. Correspondence can consist of the following one: lack and completely simply of missing. 2. Concrete of information, whether it follows a routine format. 3. The extent to which language is standard, colloquial, idiomatic. 4. The extent to which the subject is an everyday one or is related to insert or speechly. Next. Reading for orientation. Reading for orientation. Search reading involves skimming reading at speed in order to judge relevance, and scanning, searching for specific information. Key concept operational in the skill include the following. 1. The type of text from notice, leaflets, article, and book. 2. Pitching out concrete information like time and precious from text at the our visual artifact rather than profess text with helpful layout. 3. Identification important information. 4. Scanning prose text for the relevance and speed. Next. Reading for information and argument. Reading for information and argument. Detail reading involves a careful study of written or signed text that one has should be relevant for a purpose at hand. Key concept operational in the skill include the following. 1. Type of text from simple, short illustration information material to complex report and article. 2. Subject of text from familiar, everyday subject of personal interest to topics like their area of interest. 3. Depth or understanding from getting an idea of the text content to understanding the fine point and implication. Next. Reading instruction. Reading instruction is special from or reading from information and again concrete written or signed text. Key concept operational in the skill include the following. 1. Topic of introduction from routine probable on simple notice and simple direction to detailed condition and the complex instruction on something unfamiliar possible outside their area external. 2. Degree of contextual and familiarity. 3. Length from a few words seek to detail and lengthy complex intrusion in continuous text. Next.
Okay. Next, reading as a leisure activity. This scale involves both fiction and non-fiction written and signed text. This may include creative text, different forms of literature, magazine, and newspaper article, blog, or biographies, among other types of text depending on one's interest. One is like variety of and there are illustration. 2 types of text from simple description of people and place to different types of narrative text. 3 topic from everyday topic, for example, hobbies, sport, leisure activities, and animal. And concrete situation of a range of and literally topic. And 4 type of language from simple to stylish complex. And 5 is of reading from guessing with the help of image to reading with a large degree of independence to appreciating the variety of text. And 6 depth of understanding from understanding in outline or the main point to understanding implicit as well as explicit meaning. Next. Reception strategies. In reception, understanding progress through a combination of bottom-up or top-down processing and the use of content and formal schemata in inferencing. One scale is provided for the inferencing strategies that this involves. One, exploiting illustration, formatting, hiding subtitle position in the text. Two, deducing meaning from the text and linguistic context. And three, exploiting linguistic clues from number and proper nouns, joke word or cycrodes, prefixes and suffixes, temporal connector, and connector to scale of the strategy. Next, production. Production speaking side or may imply a longer, more formal presentation. Production strategies are employed to improve the quality of both informal and formal production. Production activities and production strategies. Next, oral production. The categories for oral production are organized in terms of three macro functions: interpersonal, transactional, and evaluative, with two more special genres: address audience and public announcement. One, sustained monologue describing experience. Two, sustained monologue giving information. Three, sustained monologue setting a case. Next, a sustained monologue describing experience. The scale concerns narrative and description. It has many short descriptions from A1 to B1, reflecting a relative direct link between communication function and the language used to express them. A concept operational in the scale include the following. One aspect described from simple everyday information through classic function and a wide range of subject relate to field of interest to detail description of complex subject. Two, complexity of discourse from simple words or sight, formulaic expression and simple sentence or short paragraph, relating as a sequence of points to interpret subtext and develop particular point in a smoothly flowing description. Next, sustained monologue giving information. Sustained monologue giving information is a new scale concept with explaining information to a recipient in a long term. The concept operational in the scale include the following. One, type of information from a simple description of an object or direction to straightforward actual information on a familiar topic to complex professional or academic procedure. Two, degree of precision from simple description of explaining the main point, reasonable procession and communication, detailed information reliability to make distinction between idea, concept, and things that closely remember one another. Next, sustained monologue setting a case in a chart. The scale describes the ability to sustain an argument. The descriptor published in 2001 will branch at B2, where this ability is a silent concept. Key concept operational in the scale includes the following. One, topic, from what they like or dislike about something, to opinion of subject relating to everyday life, to topical issue and complex issue. Two, manner of arguing, from making simple direct comparison through expanding and sporting viewpoint at some like well-developing an argument systematically, to taking into account the interlocutor perspective and applying emphasis effectively. Three, manner of formulation, from presenting an idea in simple terms to highlight significant point, proficiently and formalizing point, especially in well-structured language.
Public announcement. Public announcements are a very special way of passing important information to a group of people, perhaps in a private capacity. For example, at a wedding, perhaps while organizing an event or outing, or in the manner of air cabin staff. Key concept operationalized in the scale, including the following. One, type of content from predictable learn content to announcement on a range of topics. Two, intelligibility from a delivery that our recipients will have to concentrate on to follow to effective use of prosodic in order to convey shade of meaning precisely. Three, need for preparation. From very short rehearsed announcement to spontaneous and almost effortless fluency. Addressing audience. This skill involves giving an oral presentation at a public event, in a meeting, seminar, or class. The talk is clearly prepared, usually not read verbatim. The speaker does not necessarily use visual aids such as a PowerPoint after the presentation. The key concept of operationalize in this skill including the following. One, type of speech. Two, consideration of audience. Three, ability to handle questions. Written production. In the category for written production, the macro function, transactional language use, and evaluative language use are not separated because they are normally interwoven is the equivalent of sustained monologue, describing experience and focus on description and narrative. As an alternative to writing, signers sometimes produce and send a video. Creative writing. The skill involves personal imaginative expression in a variety of text types in written and sign modalities. Okay, concept operationalized in the skill, including the following. One, aspect described. Two, types of text. Three, complexity of discourse. Four, use of language. Reports and essay. This skill covers more formal types of transactional and evaluative writing and site production. Okay, concept operationalized in the skill, including the following. One, content. Two, types of text. Three, complexity of the source. Production strategies. The CEFR outlines communication strategies in connection with the traditional models of strategies in interlanguage communication, including planning, execution, monitoring, and repair. Among production strategies, the highlight strategies compensating is exemplified and discussed prior to the introduction of the CEFR. Compensating was typical the primary communication strategy emphasis. Planning. This skill is concerned with mental preparation for before speaking, singing, or writing. It can involve thinking concisely about what to say and how to formulate it. Key concept operationalized in the skill include the following. One, rehearsing expression. Two, considering how recipients may react to what is said. Compensating. Compensating is a strategy for maintaining communication when one cannot think of the appropriate expression. Key concept operationalized in the skill including the following. One, accompany gesture to support language. Two, deliberately using a wrong word or sign and qualifying it. Three, defining the missing concept. Four, paraphrase, circumlocution, and the extent to which such paraphrasing is evident. Monitoring and repair. The scale covers A, some spontaneous awareness when experience a problem, and B, a planned process of checking back on what has been said for accuracy and appropriateness. The key concept operationalized in the scale include the following: one, changing tactic and using different tactic very clear at level A, very fun at level C. 2, self-correction, error, and oversight and favorite mistake. 3, the extent to which communication problem must be obvious before correction are made. That's all for our presentation. We apologize if we have a mistake, and thank you.